third eye is also about creative envisioning things, okay, as well. So this one's called Moonlight, Waterfall. It's about my experience of meditating. So, the silver treacle of a moonlight waterfall cascades gently through my soul as the glowing cinders from a star-spitting fire fill the air. Caught by a gush of wind, they begin their merry sojourn towards heaven as cicadas hum melodiously to the tune of the universe. And here is endless peace, and here is love, and here is life, and time stands still. And such is the nature of infinity, such the nature of humility, and such the nature of ageless innocence, and I am happy with who I am.